Shelli, Pelly, I'm Confidential. Hey, listen, I wanted to hop on super quick and give you a quick tip that I love and I wanted to share it with you for eating healthy in the morning. And so now here's the deal. A lot of people ask me if they absolutely have to eat breakfast in the morning. No, you really don't. If you're not hungry first thing when you get up, don't eat. Sometimes I'm really hungry and I'll eat, and sometimes I go to work out first and then I'm starving by the time I get back. Either way, this is a super easy way to eat healthy. And I call this omelet in a jar. Like, what is better in the morning than a veggie omelet? Super healthy, super clean, very filling with lots of protein, but sometimes it's kind of a pain in the neck, right? So here's all I do. I have liquid egg whites that we always have on hand. I have 1 cup of liquid egg whites, and this is for 1 serving. It seems like a lot, but I mean, I eat it. It's a lot of good, clean protein, and it's filling, and there's no problem with it at all. Just good, clean protein. It's not gonna make your jeans tighter, which is kind of what we're working on right now. So I do 1 cup of egg whites. I do just a pinch of salt and like garlic powder, just a pinch. And then we always have on hand, my husband always dices up a Tupperware full of just mixed vegetables so that we can just have them with whatever we want. So I'll just grab a handful of some mixed vegetables, and this is just diced onions, red bell pepper, tomato, and some spinach, and I'll put a bit in there. I put a little crumbled feta cheese because I like it, and feta is a great way to add a lot of delicious, good punch and flavor to a meal without going overboard on the calories. And I add a few Kalamata olives because I like it, but just add whatever you normally like in your veggie omelet. I put my lid on, I give it a shake, and I put it in the fridge. Now, honestly, you could make 2 or 3 of these and just have them in the morning, so I just stored it in the fridge overnight, right? And then the next morning, I just heat my pan, pour it in, cook it up, and that's it. Vegetable egg omelet in a jar. Try it. For this and other beauty, wellness, fitness, health, and healthy living, visit me on the blog, anyparkerconfidential.com, and I'll